Miillion that was presented by the acting minister of police for the 30th of June.
600 million. 600 million is a lot of money. 600 million can bring about massive change and impact in our communities. How many police vehicles can 600 million not buy? How many cell phones can 600 million not buy for detectives to get back to families who have opened up cases where they never ever hear from SAPS again? 600 million. How many police stations can we not turn around with 600 million for all of one day? When communities come up with their challenges, we often hear that, you know what, we have budget constraints. I'm not sure what happened on the 30th of June. Suddenly 600 million was made available. That 600 million needs to be accounted for. I cannot wait to get back to the Portfolio Committee of Police to nicely understand how and why 600 million for one day.
Then Jacinta said there will be Mawahambe Thursday, and the Premier of KwaZulu-Natal said that will affect the province economy. Do you think it's true?
I'm not sure. On the 30th, everyone had such negative input and thoughts about the economy and the rand actually dropping. I was watching the news. If anything, on the 30th of June, the rand actually strengthened. So yes, I'm tired of hearing about all these dooms prophets, everyone just being negative. Here we see the impact. We see thousands of buses leaving, and that's what we want. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.